Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating double-blind, placebo-controlled study on the dose-dependent effects of LSD. Get ready, folks. It's going to be a wild ride.
LSD? Wow, I'm all ears. What were the researchers actually trying to find out? Was this just about the high or something more?
Exactly. It's not just about the high, although that was certainly measured. They wanted to understand the precise dose-response relationship of LSD across a range of doses, using pharmaceutically pure LSD, not the street stuff. They also looked at the role of the 5-HT2A receptor, a key player in LSD's effects, by using a receptor blocker.
So, they gave different doses of LSD to participants and measured the effects? What kind of doses are we talking about?
They used doses ranging from 25 micrograms all the way up to 200 micrograms. And the clever part? They used a crossover design, so each participant received all doses and a placebo, helping to control for individual differences. Pretty neat, huh?
Impressive. But how did they measure the effects? Did they just ask people how they felt?
Oh, they did much more than that. They used a whole battery of validated psychometric instruments. Think visual analog scales, VAS, for things like good drug effect and ego dissolution, the adjective mood rating scale, AMRS, and the 5DASC scale to assess altered states of consciousness. They even measured mystical experiences.
Mystical experiences? This is getting really interesting. What did they find?
Well, the results were pretty compelling. They found a dose-dependent increase in subjective effects, but with a ceiling effect, meaning the positive effects plateaued around 100 micrograms. Increasing the dose beyond that didn't make the good feeling stronger, but it did increase ego dissolution and anxiety.
So more isn't always better? That's a crucial finding, isn't it? What about the 5-HT2A receptor blocker, ketanserin?
Yeah, that's a really important point. The higher doses led to more negative effects, highlighting the importance of careful dose selection. Ketanserin, the 5-HT2A receptor antagonist, significantly reduced the effects of the highest LSD dose, bringing them down to the levels seen with the lowest dose. This strongly supports the idea that the 5-HT2A receptor is central to LSD's effects.
Fascinating. So what are the implications of this research? What does it mean for future studies and potential therapeutic uses of LSD?
Well, this study provides crucial dose-response data for LSD, which is essential for future research. It suggests that a dose of around 100 micrograms might be optimal for therapeutic purposes, balancing positive effects with minimal negative ones. Lower doses, like 50 micrograms, might be suitable for less experienced individuals or those more sensitive to LSD's effects. It's a really important step forward.
This is incredible work. It's amazing how much we're learning about the potential therapeutic uses of substances that were once demonized. It really highlights the importance of rigorous scientific research.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the therapeutic potential. This research also helps us understand the complex effects of psychedelics on the brain and consciousness. It's a field that's exploding with new discoveries. And this study is a significant contribution. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of LSD research. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.